next Prime Minister. You want to go
to I'm not even that. We're not even talk about that. We see when Andrew step in, you know, and Mark will shake him, man. There's nobody see that. From Andrew walk come, you know. You say, Mark look at man Clarks, you know, brother.
Oh gosh, man.
The man Clarks are man the Jamaica team, you know. And then Andrew step around and the man and free the man Clarks, you know. And I say, look at the clip again. And I say, well, Mark Gold in love of him Clarks, man. Green Clarks.
No, but
you say, man, I try to free the man, brother, and I said, yeah.
We're talking to them. We're talking to them.
Who talking to them?
Me talking to Mark Gold don't know Jamaica anthem. I can tell you that. Most of the people who about our next country, you know, and they would be, and they live in a different country, they don't know the country, they live in the anthem. I can tell you that.
You got me that, we are new, General.
Yes, yeah, I want to talk to you, brother.
So we're on some work, man. We're on building here this up.
Yeah, man. The number I give you, more you link me on the number there tomorrow.
You know some more you send back the number.
Alright.
I mean, I look fit for call you back. You know some school and script.
You know this tape when I play a while ago?
Come to it.
You know listen to tape when I play?
No, me step off and talk to one paper.
Yeah. You tell me I play this tape 2 times. The man them send me a threat from down Angola there.
Send you threat?
Yeah.
No, your place that man, that's just politics that.
Well, Anna. Me have to go play make you here, brother. On my phone today. I want the whole world for here. Come on, the commissioner of police here. I want everybody here. So as I play to you, listen to yourself. Listen, somebody make some money.
For a while. You make some money anyway in California, anyway, New York, anyway. Rochester, anyway you live, Scritty. Scritty, where you really are dealing? Let me know when Scritty, you see before the day done, tell Oops where you are dealing, car. When I give Oops your ultimate. So you say Scritty in the hands and you're between the next 2 hour time. Somebody will pull up on your Scritty. Now, nice. Take you out of the bus in a Scritty. Scritty. Remember, say the party where they are driving, bus you are driving a Scritty. You know your license plate. Alright, so make sure you tell Oops where you are because there's some man that come up your brain, Scritty. You hear me, I say, man. Pull up on foot, Scritty. Alright? Pull up on foot. Fuck you up, Scritty. Scritty, we're going to fuck you up, Scritty. Big man. Just so you are dealing, Scritty. We get a message that says, Scritty, if you look out for man thing, Scritty, Scritty, how you feel, you know? I know say Sam was alive on that base, Scritty. Sam was alive on that base, you know say very was alive on that base, Scritty. They're going to fuck you up, Scritty. You can't hide. No way. No country, you can't. No way. No way, Scritty. You can't hide from no. Hey, Scritty. Look at that. Watch it. I mean, you see some man broadcast your bus, Scritty. Look at me, you see some man broadcast your bus, Scritty.
Get it down.
Scritty.
Broadcast your bus.
That me I tell you, Scritty. That you make man darker, yeah. Send out. And I give the ice is where they come for you, Scritty. You see the man you come for you. You can't see them. You just feel something that's lit, Scritty. That me I tell you. Fuck up. Yeah. Scritty, yeah. Scritty. Yeah. I will come up the Scritty. Come like Andrew Holness Clarks here things. You get paid Scritty to turn black off. Remember, make sure you get the place in the Scritty car.
Big up, Sassy.
Why don't you Scritty? Anyway, we buck up, you know. You are being hunted. Yeah, Scritty.
That's right.
Hunted now, Scritty.
Been hunted.
Scritty, we're going to put in a double-decker basement. Nobody never hear nothing more about your Scritty.
Yes, I.
One of your people in mad now, Scritty. I'm going to track you right now.
Yeah, man.
Anyway, we buck your Scritty. You better start driving the bus. Your Benz, Scritty.
Yeah, man.
Everything about you is Scritty. Like your man come take away your blood clot trying to get with that.
Yeah, man.
Alright, Scritty.
Alright, my general.
Well, Boy, I put that in your book to Squitty.
Eh?
You put that in the book. Squitty, man, I just, I tell you something. You have some man just use some.
Yo, me bet you go check them. I don't look fool that, you know. Every man at that, you know. Don't look fool that. Me bet you go check them and them say I joke the man make panic corner.
Joke?
The man say I no joke. Me no run joke, you know. Me no depend them joke there. And I no joke. Because you not start to the country. You hear me that before the show come on.
Squitty, let me not tell you that long time say you have some real man out there. You support, but not for win. A long time tell you say party, you might not want to no prime minister, and not listen to me. You hear the behavior. You know what my goal no want no prime minister work. Man want to do business. Because like him I just cry on the button here, so somebody else just comfy. He no want it, man.
Yeah, man. Everybody are going to hear it from the rule of there. You say Senator the relative authority. Them hear it already.
But remember now, how you find out?
And people are going to like and share it. Like and share it.
Yeah. Opa, I just life. I just part of Jamaica culture. This after the month, everything just gone right back to normal. You know?
Yeah, I joke to them.
Yeah, no, I mean, I'm not tell us to take it as a joke. But if a man must step to them and say, no, I just look a fun way on it. No, who will do that? I will not do it. Which man has said man come? The man never know where. Guess what?
But me know say them are idiot. And I'm going to publish bus and say, but them things don't fight me, brother. Because I know a fool that. And the way him come out of that.
I just your program because he know you have a plate, you know. So he want to come for your program. Right, so I'm coming for your program.
I video call to the one who will them, but I tell them, say, if you come on the live now, the same bunch of them like that.
So the video call that is a joke them make?
No, them video call to them. I know them tell me that. The next man tell me that, and them say a joke them make.
Oh.
I know them tell me that. And them I run out and keep them out.
Because distraction, I don't know, a couple more weeks left in us, okay?
Brother, this can't distract nothing. I was nothing we have to talk about, man.
Yeah, man, we can't stop, man. We can't stop. We not, as I tell a man, we are discuss.
I'm not just alone them up.
True. If I hear me have attack, he's saying we attack, make we not disrespect no leader.
Then you know you have
Make us keep a thing on a level. Yeah, we not disrespect no leader. Because as bad as a man a big man and things, so a man who want a man a father, a man have been youth them. So we are saying we not for disrespect no leader. We can market the leader, but we not for disrespect.
and then that me tell them
The man never tell a man, you know. The man say two leader them do good for themselves, respect the two of them. But me just feel say support.
Good night.
Yeah, good
You
night.
there in my town? You there in my town, little girl?
Well, I'm just mind
Why make it go on so today? Eh?
The Prime Minister still there here. Him say man spend the whole time with we.
So that means so why you not going so today, man?
What for sure them say? What for the other van? What for sure them say the other van will say?
What a show off for the show off today?
Yeah, what for sure them say the other van will say?
Mercy.
No, cause you show the something. Twitter
To them, girlfriend. Eh?
I say,
McGregor.
I say my Prime Minister walk the ground. It is a deal. I say I enjoy. The man say I not leave, you know. I spend the whole time with you know. Alvar's there.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the Alvar's down here.
You know, see the place, all the place turn up to the squitty.
I will have no importing crowd.
You say our
We have no importing crowd there, so.
Squitty, the man walk through the town. When you say walk through the town, Squitty, the man walk through the town to the turn up the place, you know. Look, when you look at young people, you know. God fires. No, sir.
One Andrew Holness and one Impact Boss. I'm proud of the people them.
Yeah, man. Yes, man.
Everybody come out to have a vote. There is no children out there marching in the crowd. It's una can left them picnic bring them. But me I tell you, be everybody who can vote that.
So everyone turn up then.
Yeah, man. The man want every criticism corner in a central Kingston.
I vote.
And him say, listen me. He said the brown grey Kingston. But not leaving, but I give you the whole day and the whole night. I'm still up there.
Somebody have breeze up one of them things. Whooping out.
Sonny Dan, me I look out for you and I see you, brother. I think you that come from my ground.
You hurt, man, you know me. True wife and mother.
Sonny Dan, not importy. I know she there. I know she up there.
So you don't turn it on.
Eh?
No, I never get to touch the ground today, and I can't through the hurt. Through me missed about 2 nights.
I mean, I tell you, my friend, not importing in our crowd. Not importing. Our Wyman Street or whenever I used to go, we'll go James Street, we'll go to Wyman Street, to Tel Aviv. Them people, them freeze all the breaking ground with the apartment we are built. Or it's here one woman ball house. They build house with no toilet and bathroom. One woman say, me get free house. And come looking at my house, a big bathroom and a big toilet. Come look. I'm a water tank there from my house and it's a PMP woman I tell her that.
So it's a McGregor and the chance out there.
You know, I'm not chance with
Never
you.
But hold on, let me ask you something. What the people in feel about what going on one night?
Everybody upset.
The people in Panama.
Everybody talk about it. But we not want to go towards it because it's that them want to do.
Yeah.
Them want to take back revenge and we not look on them. We are sure them say Andrew Holness walking at them town.
But them have idea who them out there?
Them know who.
There are some gang war.
Police know who. Them get the whole loaded. But MP said don't even look at it. Because the police already have it in them hands.
Oh. Okay.
And that them want to do back and come make we look flat. We not look on them. My MP not look on them and the little youth them not look on them more than them say. When campaign are gone, them have to walk with we. Because the inspector say essential say, anybody think them bad. To a buckle when them a pass. Everybody caught up in a them shell. The inspector said, I'm telling you this. I'm going to phone a chance. Allow them, make them get for them chance. When you do phone a campaign already, I feel them campaign time. Me no want nobody give me a chat. Everybody shell drop in a them shell.
Yeah.
We pass our McGregor office. We in a them town.
They never see him look out.
Them over the wall. All the van pass on a forward. And when I look at it, I would have one Andrew Holness, one Impact. Him drive fast as how him drive down the road. The people them show them say, listen, man, I can't frighten away. We are come out. One Andrew Holness, one Impact. I'm like him speech and give. Andrew Holness say, I know street him stand up and say, listen me. What them I try to do now go work. On a blood and fire not go work. So the man turn up Hanover Street and go up a Wildman Street. There's a whole heap of little girl when me sit there for that go switch and them will see a walk behind me. My friend say, what if them say listen me? One row badness so they pan, one row. Row do this way, row we switch with, and row make we walk this.
But who did they do now?
No, I don't. Sorry, that here. The youth are do better things than what we think. leave him, make him stay. Him don't know the road and the rocky. Him determined with them, you know. Him toted with them, you know. But guess a bigger head start to him say him have to just do what him have to do. And the whole of I row them and say one row. Regina. Thank you. Who that attack? Mute your mic.
Mute the mic, them, you know. Yeah. I will attack. Beswick.
No, him name. Leon.
Alright.
Thank you.
Let me hear from this person. Hold on there. Let me see how it is. Hello, Patsy Lynn. It's Patsy Lynn. Miss Patsy Lynn, unmute your mic, please.
Stay mute Leone.
Alright, huh?
Mute Leone.
Leon, mute him.
Yeah. Leone. Chef Carl, you may talk me. Mute your mic, my brother. Mute you and pull back the thing on.
Yeah, man, I'm there, man. Oh, you muted?
Yeah, go and talk, Carl.
Yo, me I tell you,
Mute
say,
your mic, no man. I'll take you down there, you know.
yesterday me I watch the thing, you know, the gala. Yo, me say, I never seen nothing like this yet before. When the Prime Minister touched the place, you know. Me say, the way the thing nice, me say, come like a god, come the whole stadium Europe, you know. I never seen nothing like this in a Jamaica history, man. The people have love the man, you know.
Yeah.
Him definitely I forget third term, man.
That's why I couldn't come up yesterday, you know. Did I watch it all?
No, and everybody now have to tune into that, man.
Yeah.
Yo, may I tell you people in Jamaica, you know, this a Prime Minister, yeah. Trust me. This a man is like him can't walk on water, man. Him can't do nothing wrong.
Nembi is still in my town. Me go walk come up at the ski, up at the party, come meet you. Nevi.
Yeah, man, the whole Jamaica love this a man, yeah, man. Trust me.
Unmute Nevi.
And people,
Never.
just go and continue doing what you're doing and just stand firm behind the Prime Minister, you know.
Thanks.
Yeah, man, and go and
I'm in my
support.
town right now. I'm in my town right
Yeah, man,
now.
I love when I support the thing, man. I love when I stand up
I'm in
there,
a
man.
Central Kingston right now up at the office. Big party up there.
And them thing that I tell all my family, them are getting go out in numbers
Navi up there right now.
and just support.
Yeah, Navi there there. She up there now.
Some live are going on Navi. I'm new to mind on Navi.
Yeah, man, I'm go and listen to them.
Yeah.
Go and listen to them, man.
Yeah, man.
Navi
Navi,
some
I'm new
good
to
food,
mind,
you
huh?
know.
No, I'm not like nothing free, boom. I'm not like nothing free. Not
Navi,
my
I'm
style.
new to mind.
No, she said she left. Already left. The Prime Minister left.
Okay.
I like nothing free, boom. I like nothing free. I support my party. I support my MP. I like nothing free.
Yeah.
Enjoy myself from 11 o'clock till after 8. I enjoy myself. I don't need
That's
to
some
go
of the
back.
thing we talk about as policy we might go do when it
Alright.
Yeah.
He brought the ground around Hanover Street where I ran it with it by and never build up. MP go and fight for it and get it. He broke it up, he bust the ground and tell them say it want to be developed in an apartment. He show them the paper how it want to develop. Him cut the ribbon round and say the it's not just him not believe in and just say him gonna build one house in a community and left it like that. Him come to develop and make people live how them supposed to live.
Or it want
PMP
like
against
a
it.
high rise, like where we can hold enough people instead of one go out.
Yes.
Or
And-
like a complex, like.
Yes. And him give a good speech and the people them love it. You have few people who did that hide in a television, say them on a labor, right? But them brawling in a them day here and come out and make them know say a labor right, I say, you know. and them come out in them green and them come with them bell and them come in them act. So who used to hide? Nah, hide no more. Them show them brand and say, listen, my McGregor can't come back,
Yeah, man,
can't get
something
set.
like that, man.
Squitty,
Yeah, what?
we had an amazing day today. I was hoping to see Sonny and the person in the box, but I didn't see anybody.
All of this, did I look for you, but my ear say I was there. I was looking for you, but I don't see you.
A young warrior, the man, or shit.
Are you the day in the scheme when you touch a girl?
I never
And the
carry the
girl said,
baton.
After coming at the scheme, after coming at the scheme.
Yeah, that was
It
probably
was me. It was
Oh, that was you.
me. It was Carla. He touched him after coming at the scheme.
Well, we had to, I had to stay in the white car because you guys were moving so fast.
Yeah, but
I couldn't manage. I walked.
You like the crowd
to
when you see?
It was very spectacular. I walked to Almonton and my feet were hurting so bad. I had to give up. I had to say, PM, I can't do this anymore.
Where you walk from?
I didn't know that the constituency was that big.
No, where you walk from to Almonton?
Almonton took off most of the walk.
No, man, ask where you walk from. Why you fast? The street you walk from.
Where you start walk from?
Where you start walk from?
We walked from what's the place called? The where the housing complex is going to be. Yeah, we went to Anova Street and then we went up to
Wildman Street.
Yeah, to Kingston Technical and then we went on into Almonton.
Okay.
Kingston Garden first, after.
Oh. Yes,
to Almonton.
Yes, guys gone.
Then we'll come back down South Campton and then we'll go to Raytown.
Yeah, you guys came down and what's the street? The first house we broke this morning, it was on like Cloverly Road. Yeah, the first house, and then we went on to the Raytown and then we went to the football field. And then we came on to what's that street called? I don't know the street, but your housing scheme.
Yeah,
and then we went on to Gold Street and then we came up back on East Queen Street. The reception for the Prime Minister was amazing, Squitty. The Central Kingston. I know that Central Kingston will be coming back in the column of the Jamaica Labour Party. It was such a good reception. And PM it was such a terrific walk, even though him stop every minute. Speak City, if you even a fly, the PM agreed to him. And the kids were so receptive of him.
I said, not passing.
Nothing. The kids were so receptive. The kids were so happy. And we had Senator Longmore, we had Senator Morgan, and we had Senator Longmore, we had Senator Morgan. We had Dana Morris Dixon, we had Chad. It was a lot of people from the Jamaica Labour Party. We had TC there. And the OPM team, it was a very good day. And I say we were impressed with Central Kingston, and we know Donovan is a great MP. He deserves the support.
My work.
And we saw so many improvements in the community when it comes on to draining, when it comes on to the zinc fences being removed, because our Prime Minister believes in when you renovate the area, it gives people hope, So we saw the zinc fence removal. We saw there was a major draining in Central Kingston that needed to be fixed.
It's about the PM and his team.
Yeah, the PM and his team, even some places where they didn't have any. They had JPS issues where JPS each time JPS removed their lights, so Donovan got them official lights to JPS, and now they have their meters right in front of their gates. And what else? We saw where he has given so many social housing programs in Central Kingston since the first inception of a social housing program. So he gave out 4 houses this morning. happening all across the constituency. We had a major talk about what we don't. The PM made it clear that we don't tolerate violence. We don't want Central Kingston to go back to what is infamous for. We talked about on Tresia's housing scheme. We said that the government said that he's looking to improve the washrooms, and I think they got a new gate and stuff like that. So
Yeah, back and
we have to give it to Donovan Williams. He has been a terrific MP, and I hope the people of Central Kingston will continue to support him. Skitty was amazing.
You know how them love him? You don't know how them love him. When they shot fire, find how much of them run on the back of the scheme, still on the ground, I cry, think as him get analyzed.
It was, the security team was heavy today. Even the PM said that we are not afraid, we're just being cautious. And we don't promote violence. He made it clear that every stop, he made it clear that we don't support violence. He went into different housing. Yes. But I have to say the reception, I lost my voice a couple times, but it was worth it, and the people treated the OPM team so well. I can say that. I felt at home, so big ups to the people of Central Kingston.
Thank you, you're welcome.
We felt so at home,
Thank
Even
you.
the people were so patient, because at one time we had a long pause because, Spitty, our Prime Minister believes in separating party from governance, and, we had on our official OPM shirt, so we had to change and put on our party shirts because, as again, our governments believe in separating party from governance from party.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a terrific day. It was. I just want to say, Skitty, I know Donovan Williams will be going back to Garden House. If anybody had any doubts, I don't think there would be any doubts now. The support to even the small children, they were so. Even the children, Skitty, it was. It was so emotional, and it was so. They really love him, and people love you when you do the people's work. You serve the people, and the people will serve you.
Right.
So, again, big up to Central Kingston.
Thank you. No importee crowd. No importee crowd.
So where's the next stop now, Navi? The next stop. Where you guys?
Next stop is a big party up there.
This is it for the day. Because today was dedicated to Central Kingston, the entire constituency. So
but for the rest of the week, we're not meet like this, right, you?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I can't say Squitty for security purposes,
No.
Yeah.
Man. That's nice, man.
Nice. You guys doing great, man.
Big up yourself, my journalist.
Yeah, man. Nice report.
Good review. Yes, man. Big up yourself.
Thank you. No importee from Central Kingston. Real Central Kingston crowd. We don't need.
And that was one of the big for the day, Squitty, that the people that were on the ground is from Central Kingston. There were no imported crowds. Yes, man, there was no imported crowds.
And
imported crowds. It was Donovan Williams and the people of Central Kingston behind him.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So anybody wants said this and wants said that, I see why they're pushing violence. I see why they're scared, because they see defeat. They see defeat coming.
Bad.
They see it coming. And if anybody had no doubts at Central Kingston, I can tell you to take it off when it come election night.
Thank you.
But the man attack me to Navi. My sister, you hear what I'm going?
No.
Man, them send me big message, man. The man in front of the jungle, man. The used to live. Yes, send message from my phone. I talk about me told you right now. With a double decker grave. And something like I hear about me, and man, I go pull up on my foot.
I like the drunk of them at
You never hear me I play?
No.
Right.
Scritchy, and I want to say that, Scritchy, wait there, you know what was so exciting about today? That we didn't have books to give out. Let me tell you, every street we walked, every main road we went on, the people were saying, PM, where's the book? I know we had our team, our blitz team, so big up to the official blitz team of Jamaica Labour Party, which had the book stocked. At one time, big up to our education minister, Senator Dana Morris Dixon. She had no hands to give out booklets. The people were so receptive of all our ministers, you know, and
so great. Everybody has a great man.
we didn't have, Squitty, we didn't have hands to give out the book. So let me tell you, every minute people were saying, PM, where's the book? Where's the book at the end? And Squitty, I saw at one point the book fell out of somebody's hand and the person literally dived in the road for the book and said, no, my Prime Minister, just give me this, I can't make it go away. You know, the PM. Yes, and Squitty, everybody got to shake his hand and people were, even the young youths were saying, PM will have to vote for you, you represent us, and I have to say the Jamaica Labour Party is always supportive of you.
Everybody said something in that comment here. It's when it come out to Central Kingston, when campaign, we not importee crowd. We not call West, we not call nowhere. Central Kingston by itself work after every crowd there. We not need importee. When I ask that, we come down and prove that.
Alright. Here, I'm going to tell you, J-Keeper. Man, them don't Angola, don't jungle. Them send me up on my phone, because them know me now. Them have my phone number. Come in to live here. Some of them mute nothing, come on everybody here, you know. And the whole world want the commissioner of police here.
You mute me, can I mute them from my phone? You mute. You mute me, can I mute them?
Hold on, everybody mute you, man. Please, don't mute. Because it's serious, you know.
Tell Uzo where I live.
That is serious. On the milk, you know, man. Now I go and make it a son, sir. Alright, listen now.
Let someone tie up anywhere in California, anywhere, New York, anywhere. Let someone tie up anywhere in the script.
Somebody mic.
Let them know in the script. Somebody mic. Tell Uzo where I live. That is Uzo ultimate. So you say script in the answer, you'll be clear the next.
Well, I mean. Now try to play it over. Hold on, something wrong with it. Hold on, I have to play it for now because I want to reach the commissioner of police. I not stop playing till I reach the commissioner of police. And I'm going to send such man down there go check them. Yeah, hold on. I'm mute up your mic, brother. I'm going to try to say I into echo band. Alright, listen now.
My hands spread far and wide in the script. You let someone tie up anywhere in the California, anywhere, New York, anywhere. You let someone Rochester, anywhere in the script, anywhere, New York, anywhere. So where really are you? Let them know in the script. So before the day done, tell Uzo where are you? It's like you can
I don't know where I go on with it. Because people are mic. Yeah, man. Man, them say, boy, I'm on labor right in a J-Keeper.
Squiddy.
Yeah.
Somebody I use 2 phone.
Somebody I use 2 phone.
Yeah. You have to back. You can't play it now.
Huh?
Play it now.
Okay, hold on. Let me take out the TikTok. Yeah.
Yeah, somebody might want mute. Somebody might don't mute. G-Keeper mute the mic.
Yeah, because it's something very important, you know?
Somebody else might study different from my mic. Somebody else might not mute properly.
Alright. Let me try it now. Yes, all the commissioner have to hear it.
I come back to Jamaica.
You know?
Fuck, we have to keep on scripting. Scripting. My hands spread far and wide in the scripting. We make someone tie up anywhere in California, anywhere, New York, anywhere. Rochester, anywhere you live, scripting. Scripting, where you really are dealing? Let me know in the scripting. See before the day done, tell Oops where you are dealing, car. But I can Oops your ultimate. So you say scripting and answer you between the next 2 hour time. Some man going to pull up on your scripting. Now go nice. I'm take you out of the bus in the skitty. Skitty. Remember say the party where they are driving now. Bus you are driving a skitty. Know your license plate in a skitty. Alright, so make sure you just tell Oops where you're dealing, because there's some man that come up your brain, Squitty. Squitty, hear me, I say, man. Pull up on foot, Squitty. Alright? Pull up on foot.
Listen now.
Squitty, you know, so you just fuck up. We're going to fuck you up, Squitty. Squitty, we're going to fuck you up, Squitty. Big man thing. But just the way I deal with Squitty. We get the message and say, Squitty, if you look out for man thing, Squitty, Squitty, are we billion, you know? I know if Sam was alive on that base, Squitty. If Sam was alive on that base, you know, if everyone was alive on that base, Squitty, they're going to fuck you up, Squitty, man. You can't hide. No way. No country, you can't. No way. Canada, no way, Squitty. You can't hide from no. Hey, Squitty, look at that. Watch. I mean, you have some man broadcast your boss, Squitty. Look at me, you have some man broadcast your boss, Squitty. Squitty. You fuck up. That me, I tell you, Squitty, eh? Yeah, you make man dark, yeah. Send out. And I give the ice, me and they come for you, Squitty. You see the man you come for you. You really can't see them. You just feel something just lick you, Squitty. Like that, me, I tell you. Fuck up now, yeah. Squitty, Squitty, you have to feel, you know. I will correct you, Squitty. I'm like Andrew Holness a gear thing, Squitty. You get paid, Squitty, for turn black after labor right, Squitty. But remember, I'm telling you, make sure you get different to the Squitty car. Squitty, why no, no, Squitty? Anyway, we buck up, you know.
Yeah, people have to me why.
Yeah, Squitty, 100 now, Squitty. Squitty, we're going to put you in a double-decker basement. Nobody not going to hear nothing more about your Squitty. All of your page being mad now, Squitty. I'm going to track you right now. You say, anyway, we buck your Squitty. You better stop driving the bus. You see your Benz?
You're bad man.
Squitty. We never think about you in a Squitty. I'm like, you want a man come take away your blood clot trying to get what you have.
You're bad man. I laugh for them, you know. Yeah, man. When we start, make sure we just put them in them place, you know. GT back. Yeah.
Let me tell you something. Tell him say, I'm Jamaica, I'm going to meet. You know, if you threaten him, you know, I'm going to meet him, Jamaica, and can't do you nothing. Nothing at all. You can't. Watch and see what going to happen to him.
But I don't like them, I know me, you know, them know me. I know, say me not carry coward bone.
I think you think you're afraid. When you take your far, Kuno.
Well, I know, when people hear about jungle and afraid, you know. And jungle me used to live before me come here, sir.
Ella Squitty, play it again. Somebody important night chat.
It's so dirty.
Somebody important night chat to hear it again, Squitty. Play it again.
Your nice, clean wife.
Squitty, listen to what I say. Play it again. Somebody in the chat will have to hear it. Good. And people just mute on the mic, please. Play it in the mic. Play it again, Squitty, for our friends.
Squitty. Yeah, Squitty, come like you want me to say, come back at Jamaica.
One of them are my godson, you know.
Come back at Jamaica. You have to turn labor right, Squitty. Fuck, we have people, Squitty.
Forward up, man.
Squitty. My hands spread far and wide, you know, Squitty. We make some man tie up anywhere, we like California, anywhere, New York, anywhere.
Yeah, man.
Rochester, anywhere you live, Squitty. Squitty, where you really are dealing? Let me know, Squitty. You see, before the day done, tell Oops where you are dealing, car. I give Oops your ultimate. So you say, Squitty, the answer you between the next 2 hour time. Some man going to pull up on your Squitty. Now, nice. I'm take you out of the bus in a Squitty. Squitty. Remember, send a party van you are driving, bus you are driving a Squitty. You know your license plate in a Squitty. Alright, so make sure you just tell Oops where you are dealing, because there's some man that cover up your brakes.
Look at dumb slave, you know.
Squitty, hear me, I say, man. Pull up on foot, Squitty. Alright? Pull up on foot.
You don't see my laugh. Yeah. The next one.